Renault Captur, and I'm gonna try to review this car today. So this is Renault Captur, small engine, 1 liter, 100 horsepower, but I love this car. My favorite thing is the design. I love the shape of this car. Interior sometimes makes sounds. Apple CarPlay works great. Fuel efficiency is great. It burns 6 liters per 100 kilometers. I really like the higher suspension. This thing is really great to control music. Oh, I think that's only in Renault. The manual transmission was cheaper. One negative thing is this chrome, it's getting dirty and it's really hard to clean this. But I don't care how my car looks like. I'm just glad that I can drive it. I'm not an engine expert, but very small engine. Because of the engine is really small, the car insurance is low. And for me, car should just drive without any problems. I didn't have any problems with this car after 2 years. Once a year I'm changing the oil. That's it. One small thing that I don't really like is the start-stop system. Turns off your car when you're on a red light. I hate that. I think it's slowly destroying the engine. So every single time I have to push this button. Eco car is just slower, but I think it's even dangerous to use that because you don't have any this car. It's slow, but with this Eco it's even slower. I'm really happy with this car. Car market right now, it's crazy. I really like these LED lights.